88 for 5. And Ravi will try and explain to us what's happened in the last 14, 15 balls.
Well, they were taking it easy. The quota of the fifth bowler was being consumed by Kundan Sharma and Suraj Chauhan. And although Kundan was quite expensive in his first over, but then as they went after the bowling, they just paid the penalty. 2 wickets in an over for Suraj Chauhan, 2 wickets in an over for Kundan Sharma, and certainly now Gaya Gladiators find themselves on the back foot.
Off the back foot. Oh, he stopped it well. Sails over the jumping fielder. They need many more of those. You're sure to be asking Ravikant Singh if he wants to change his prediction.
Not really. Not really. I still feel that they're good for 150. Especially because Shabir has already bowled 3 overs, so the death overs could go for plenty.
Shabba, boys!
Suraj Chauhan in his third over would not have been expecting to bowl more than 2.
We often say that when you want to pick up wicket, bring your fast bowlers on. The captain there would say, hold on. How many wickets did the fast bowlers give me? How many wickets have the spinners given me today? So you never know who can strike when, and that's the beauty of sport.
Fifth bowler's quota of 4 overs, that is proving to be the real decider. Batsmen have decided to go after the fifth bowler's quota and attacked Kundan, trying to attack Suraj Chauhan. Suddenly things just disintegrated.
Yeah, well said. I mean, they're taking chancing the arm. Well done. That's fairly allowed. When the obstructing the field comes to the fore in the play, when you change your direction as a runner. Look how quickly they run. Shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. As simple as that.
Three short of the 100 mark. And again taking the first run quickly. But good recovery from Kundan Sharma.
And because there's one delivery left, Ravi, and then you and I will be making way for Sunil and Siddharth. So, as a courtesy sake, I'll again give you a chance to change your prediction. 150 is what you predict.
I'll stick with that, 150.
Okay. So we'll leave it to Sunil and Siddharth later to just make sure that the prediction comes true. Oh, wanted to heave it, well bowled, pitched it up to him. Keeps the strike. Does Rajesh. This is 99 for 5. Gladiators, 15 overs gone, 99 for 5. So 2 things have been common for Gaya since yesterday. One thing, that they batted first yesterday. The other thing is a batting debacle, a middle order disaster. They were 50 for 2 yesterday at one stage, slumped to 124 for 9. Meanwhile, that's a great shot, only for a single from Vidu. Would get enough time to run for the second. He does. So he was 50 for 2 yesterday, slumped to 124 for 9, lost 7 wickets for 74. What's even worse today is they've lost 4 wickets for just 7 runs.
So you want to say that the middle order batsmen of Gaya are saying to each other, "Tu aaya, main gaya." That's a big one. That's a big one. 6 number 2 for the batsman. Ravi's prediction of 150 seems quite possible now.
And that's happening because ye bhi gaya. And I think more than tu aaya main gaya, it should be chakka gaya, chokka gaya for Gaya.
The fielder
stopping आया, ball मेरे पास आया, but this was hit really well. So 8 of the first 2 deliveries followed by a boundary. So Rajesh is going all guns blazing now. Nelson is the score now.
Yes, the burly Rajesh cutting that one and cutting well for yet another boundary. If you need raw power in this game, then it seems Rajesh has got oodles of it.
Made only 11 in the last game versus Bhagalpur. Rajesh not out at 23 of just 10 deliveries. There was a period of talking about over number 13 and 14 when they lost 4 wickets. And that too, two part-time bowlers. But this innings from Rajesh is some sort of a healer for Gaya Gladiators.
Now after this one, they have just 4 overs remaining. In all probability, Shabir, who's left with one, he's going to bowl 1. Vipul Krishna would bowl 2. But they are stuck with that 1 over. Stuck, I say, because now these guys are slowly but surely finding some amount of momentum, particularly Rajesh. This is a good over. Already 14 all fit. Kundan, who had picked up those 2 wickets. His figures are getting a little off. It's a single of the last over, 16 gone, 114 for 5.